I'm Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to do the third-party FPS meter test in the PUBG game while playing in Realme X1 Max. Yes friends, I'm going to use a third-party FPS. Let's see the PUBG version, which is a 1.5.0, whether I'll be able to get above 60 FPS or not while using third-party. Because we do know the game space right now in the Realme X1 Max model Indian version, it's not showing above 60 FPS. So only I think most of the people, they did complain under my videos as well. They are unable to see more than 60 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. But the PUBG version, which is a 1.5.0, is actually upgraded to the 90 FPS. So the game has been right now supported with the 90 FPS, but the Realme UI is a one which is right now responsible for not having higher FPS count. That is the one which I can definitely, as you can show you friends. So even if you use a 90 FPS, doesn't matter in the lobby or anything. So let me just show you. Both I have selected the 90 FPS only. You can clearly see here, but still you won't get higher than 60 FPS. That's a problem which the Realme UI has. Not the PUBG, not the Dimensity processor or anything, only the Realme UI. So right now I'll try to use a real-time FPS meter and I'll try to show you without using game space and with using game space what are the things are working and not working. And one more thing, 90 FPS is possible in other Realme phones, for example Realme X2 Pro, which has Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. This phone can show 90 FPS in the game space, yes, without any problem. But the Realme X1 Max, which is the latest addition to the Realme, which doesn't show the more than 60 FPS. So right now I'm not using the latest software update, which I am using only 8.15. There is another 8.16 as well. I'm not sure about the 8.16 whether it's working or not. So there is a reason I thought of mentioning all these things before itself. So this is a third-party FPS meter which I need to use by connecting to the PC because of this Android 11 restrictions right now. If you want to use this kind of FPS meter, you need to root or you need to connect to the PC. That is the reason I thought of just mentioning you. I'll try to make another video as well in case if you are interested for this video. I'll definitely plan to do that. But overall, there's a video friends, just not for the views, just for the opinion how it's going on. Try to check this video for the Realme X2 Pro. Yes, so I'm just trying to show you the proof as well. So in case if you want to know about 90 FPS, you can check that video. Game space, it's working 100% fine in the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X1 Max has some kind of issues with the software optimization. So now let's test by first using the game space and without using game space. So will the game space is the one which is responsible or what? That is what I'm going to find out in this video. And real-time FPS meter you can see on the top as well, so which will be really very small. So in case if you want me to include the screen recording, I can definitely do the screen recording later. But this video I just thought of showing you the basic things, whether I'm getting in a kind of close to FPS or not. As you can see friends clearly, even if I use a third-party FPS meter or anything, doesn't matter. Still it shows only 60 FPS. As you can see on the top here 58, 60 I'm getting, nothing more than that. Sorry for this kind of small text which is present in this software. I cannot do which anything. So if I try to play, it will get high. So I try to play properly. So right now I'm not focusing on the gameplay and winning this race, so nothing at all. I just want to focus only on the real-time FPS meter, just to show you as a proof I'm mentioning. So I don't know, I might get comments regarding the gameplay, but still I'm not focusing on the game. I'm focusing only on the real-time FPS meter. I'm getting only 60, that's it. It's not increasing friends, as you can absolutely see that. It cannot now. So with using game space, these are the results I'm trying to get in this phone. So Realme X2 Pro will be definitely capable of playing. So friends, this is the final thing which you don't get the real-time FPS absolutely, even if you try to use other. Let me try to play the classic match. Let's see what will happen if I try to play the classic. I'll just try to show you the frame drops when I'm trying to exactly drop. So let's see, I try to jump exactly in the poaching and I'll try to show you the real-time FPS meter. It's very hard to see, but sorry for that friends. So I thought of recording the screen recording, but I'll try to upload separate video on that particular topic, only the screen recording with my voice, and here you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter in this way. So right now I'm just trying to show you the normal drop, and I'm getting about 50, 69, that's it, not much. I'm trying to use a 90 FPS only friends during this time of testing. This is using third-party FPS, and 58, 60, As you can see clearly, 58 and 60, 59, that's it. So now I'll try to disable the game space and I'll be back again. Let me try to close the game completely. So let's see, by disabling the game space, will it affect any kind of thing on that is what I'm going to check. Let me go to the game space and I'll try to not select the PUBG game as a game. Then I'll try to do. As you can see friends, here I have not selected the PUBG game. Let me try to open the game PUBG right now. Let's see what will happen with the PUBG. So now without using any kind of game space, so now I'm going to show you what is the real time FPS, how much I'm getting, because some people they do have this kind of confusion that because of the game space you are unable to see or what. That is the reason I thought of just showing you the basic thing. Let me go to the settings and show you exactly. I did try to use 90 FPS, as you can see friends, absolutely in both 90 FPS and 90 FPS completely fine. And even after using this kind of without game space as well, still I was unable to get that kind of 90 FPS. No, you cannot get that, as you can see friends. So I think it's problem with the Realme UI at this point. The Realme UI is the one which is responsible for this not having higher FPS in the Realme X1 Max units. So my software version is 8.15. So I am trying to mention again, so maybe with the 8.16 the things might be different, and I'm not getting any kind of 4D haptic feedbacks as well. So not now, before when the game space is added as well, even then I was not getting any kind of 4D haptic vibrations in this phone, nothing at all. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. So as I said, my main focus right now will be showing you the FPS count, how much it is not playing. That is the reason I thought of just letting you know. $60 FPS I'm getting, that's it, not much. 60, 59. As you can see, 60 FPS, nothing much more than that. So this is a quick review friends on this Realme X1 Max. Overall I was unable to play the 90 FPS gameplay. It doesn't matter even if I use a third-party FPS meter or not, it doesn't matter at all. There's no use in terms of So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to let me know in the comment section below what are the thoughts about this one and how many users are able to play this kind of 90 FPS in the game space. I just want to know, try to check in the game space, try to comment below. So I just want to see how many users are facing this kind of issues who are not having this kind of 90 FPS support while gaming in the PUBG or BGM or maybe any other games, not only these games, particularly any other games. I'm trying to focus. I'm just trying to think which is a problem, Realme UI or what is a problem. That is what I'm going to think in this video. That is the reason I thought of asking you all. So try to download few games which are 120 FPS supported and try to check. If you don't know which is a 120 FPS support, there are other videos which I did already upload on the videos. Try to type 120 FPS gaming Site Guru. You'll find all the videos which I uploaded, and try to download those games and try to check. So this is a complete review friends using the third-party FPS meter with game space, and without game space there is no point. So the phone doesn't show more than 60 FPS in this phone. So that's the problem with the Realme. They should fix this as soon as possible. I'm going to show you the exact version finally, and I'll try to end up this video. I don't want to make this really long video, and right now I'm trying to use, as you can see, this is the exact 8.15. So just couple of, I think one day back 8.16 also arrived. I'm not sure whether it will be fixed or not, but fingers crossed we should be able to fix it. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Bye.